Ordering of numbers. When two or more numbers are to be compared, we can use these rules to arrange them. When a set of given numbers is arranged from the smallest to the greatest, they are said to be in ascending order. For example, 28, 37, 211, 246, 303 are in increasing, ascending order. When a set of given numbers is arranged from the greatest to the smallest, they are said to be in descending order. For example, 303, 246, 211, 37, 28 are in decreasing, descending order. Example 3. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order: 3480, 546, 2167, 499, 2056. Solution. Step 1. First, place the numbers in a place value chart. Step 2. Compare the three-digit numbers. We see that 499 is smaller than 546. Step 3. Compare the four-digit numbers. Here, the smallest is 2056. Then comes 2167. And then comes 3480. Therefore, in ascending orders, the numbers will be written as 499 less than 546 less than 2056 less than 2167 less than 3480. Example 4. Arrange the following numbers in descending order: 7845, 231, 4398, 9355, 258. Solution. Step 1. Arrange the given numbers in the place value chart. Step 2. Compare the four-digit numbers. The greatest is 9355. Then comes 7845. And then comes 4398. Step 3. Compare the three-digit numbers. The greater is 258 and then comes 231. Therefore, in descending order, the numbers will be written as 9355 greater than 7845 greater than 4398 greater than 258 greater than 231. Forming numbers. Consider the digits 3, 5, 7 and 1. Using these four digits only once, we can make the following four-digit numbers: 7531, 7513, 7351, 7315, 7153, 7135, 5731, 5713, 5371, 5317, 5173, 5137, 3751, 3715, 3517, 3571, 3175, 3157, 1753, 1735, 1573, 1537, 1375, 1357. Among the above numbers, 7531 is the greatest and 1357 is the smallest number. In 7531, the given digits are in descending order. In 1357, the given digits are in ascending order. If one of the given digit is 0, we never start a number with 0. Consider the digits 4, 0, 2 and 1. The greatest 4-digit number is 4210 and the smallest 4-digit number is 1024. We never write 0124 because it is actually a 3-digit number, 124. Rounding off numbers to the nearest 10. Rounding off the number to the nearest 10 means finding which 10 they are nearest to from the given number. So, the basic rule for rounding off numbers to the nearest 10 is to look at the digits at the ones place. A number is rounded down to the nearest 10 if the ones digit is 4 or less than 4. A number is rounded up to the nearest 10 if the ones digit is 5 or greater than 5. Look at the numbers 37 and 44 on the number line. 37 is between 30 and 40, but 37 is more closer to 40 than to 30. So 37 is rounded off to 40. 44 is between 40 and 50, but 44 is more closer to 40 than to 50. So 44 is rounded off to 40. Skip counting. Skip counting in tens. Look at these examples and start counting by skipping in tens. 7178, 7188, 7198, 7208, 4580, 4590, 4600, 4610, 2290, 2300, 2310, 2320, 1000, 1010, 1020, 1030. Skip counting in hundreds. Look at these examples and start counting by skipping in 100s. 5400, 5500, 5600, 5700. 8000, 8100, 8200, 8300. 4320, 4420, 4520, 4620. 1025, 1125, 1225, 1325. Skip counting in 1000s. Look at these examples and start counting by skipping in 1000s. 6775, 7775, 8775, 9775. 3490, 4490, 5490, 6490. 5999, 6999, 7999, 8999. 4101, 5101, 6101, 7101. Roman numerals. We use 10 digits, namely 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, which are known as Hindu Arabic numbers. We can also use Roman numbers. You may have seen Roman numbers in clocks or writing the school classes such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. In Roman system, there are only 7 symbols. These symbols are given below. Roman numerals, Hindu Arabic numerals 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000. Rules for writing Roman numerals. 1. If a numeral is repeated, it means addition. A Roman numeral can be repeated up to a maximum of 3 times. A is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. B is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. 2. If a smaller numeral is written after a larger numeral, its value is added to the value of a larger numeral. A is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. B is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 3. If a smaller numeral is written before a larger numeral, its value is subtracted from the value of the larger numeral. A is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. B is equal to 10 minus 1 is equal to 9.